Dougal, and I'm now the event director at Informa Markets, where I'm responsible for the CPHI Europe event. So this year is actually my 10th year with Informa. It's going to be my 10th CPHI as well. I was previously the content director, so looking after all of the conferences and the seminars that we have on site. And as of January this year, I transitioned to the event director role. So now I'm looking after more the growth opportunities and the commercial direction of the event. Yeah, so there's a lot. There's really a lot. And this is why the pre-planning is so essential for a show like CPHI, because it's huge, as those who have been before know only too well. So what shouldn't you miss this year? I would say, of course, we have all of our well-known and loved zones, giving you opportunity to meet with partners from across the global supply chain. We're anticipating around 166 different nationalities being at the show, so it's very much a global stage for pharma these days. Beyond the show floor, we have over 6 content theatres spread across the show, ranging from topics on sustainability, sustainable practices, on manufacturing efficiencies, packaging and drug delivery trends. So it's a fantastic place not only to do business and to meet new and prospective clients, but also to really update your knowledge in pharma and hear from some really inspirational speakers. And then every year we get more requests for networking opportunities, for chances and places where people can connect in a more informal setting to meet people on site. And we've introduced a lot more of those this year. So on day 1 and 2, we'll be running free to attend happy hours in our Galleria. So really nice opportunity to chill out after a busy day at the show and hopefully meet some interesting new contacts. Yes, for sure. So CPHI was traditionally known as a small molecule show and started off with a small group of API exhibitors. The show has grown exponentially over the last 36 years, and now we have a representation across all different parts of the supply chain. So some of our biggest and best loved zones are contract services, finished dosage formulation, of course, API excipients, ingredients, machinery, packaging, integrated pharma. It's really the end-to-end supply chain. So you'll be able to find all the key zones there for doing business in pharma. Something new for this year is we have launched some small-scale zones in Hall 4.0. So we do see emerging opportunities around clean room and contamination, around labeling, AI and tech as well. And we've grouped some of these new exhibitors together in what we're calling the cross-sector collaboration hub. So these are really exciting new zones. We believe there's a lot of potential there, and we hope to grow them in the coming years. And then in terms of features, we've tried to, of course, we have our content program again, which is bigger than ever. But also we're trying to build more kind of fun features and experience into the show this year. So look out for some of our quirky fun activities that we have on site. Yeah, so sustainability has been an increasingly important topic, I think, for the market and also for us at CPHI. So we started off, a few years ago having a couple of conference sessions scattered throughout the program, but these were so well received that we understood it really warrants more attention and a dedicated track, which is why we have that standalone theatre now. So that's going to be located in Hall 4.0 this year, and actually it's adjacent to our sustainability centre. So this is where our lovely internal sustainability team are going to be. They'll be hosting interviews. They'll be helping you get started on your sustainability strategy. They've also worked on launching the Sustainability Collective. So this is a group of over 150 industry professionals from all different walks of life. And really the goal there is to bring people together to talk about and disseminate best practice and to see how we can advance the industry. So from a content perspective, we're trying to do a lot in bringing the industry together. We're also very conscious of our own impact as events organisers, and we're trying to build sustainability into many more of our event practices. So We have a few carpet reductions on site this year. We have our Better Stands program where we're incentivizing the use of reusable stands and encouraging our exhibitors to make more sustainable choices when they're working with their stand builders. So it's very much a twofold approach, but I think it's in line with a real need for quality information on driving sustainable practices in pharma. Yes, absolutely. So this is available to purchase through our website. It will be €29, and it's a really fantastic resource, not only for giving an overview of key pharma trends, what we see in the market at the moment. For example, there will be a big focus on GLP-1 drugs, on AI and technology, on R&D and clinical trials, Europe versus China. But beyond that, there's of course so much happening on the show floor during CPHI Frankfurt that this report will be released post-show. So it's a great way of summarizing all the amazing trends that are showcased. You'll be able to hear interviews from our speakers in there as well. So a really nice resource, great wrap up for heading home after Frankfurt.